Hello, welcome to MegaFactory. Have you ever asked yourself, are those spiky durian husks we throw away actually useless? Wouldn't it be great if we could recycle them? Well, join me on today's journey. We are going to transform these leftovers into rich organic fertilizer and powerful biochar. If you're curious, let's go explore together. And don't go anywhere, we have a lot of surprises coming up. So stay with me until the very end. Wow, look at this place from up here. It's absolutely massive, gleaming right in the middle of the green fields. See those trucks lining up? They aren't carrying fruit for the market. They're hauling in tons of durian husks. Just watch them dump that cargo. It's honestly a mountain of leftovers. And look at that loader working. It's just pushing this endless sea of spikes to get started. Here's where the journey really begins. The belt pulls everything in, and then, whoosh, a high-pressure shower. It blasts away all the dirt and mud from the fields. Look closer at those water droplets flying off the spikes. It's strangely beautiful, isn't it? Everything gets a good shake on this vibrating table to sort it out. It's like the machine is dancing to separate the good stuff from the bad. Now, clean and shiny, the husks flow along like a spiky river. I love how open and airy it is in here with that natural light pouring down. From above, you can really see the scale of it. Thousands of them moving in perfect unison. Then they take the plunge, falling right into the heart of the system. It's amazing how organized this chaotic pile has become, don't you think? Now, things are about to get powerful. Look at those steel blades glinting in the light. They mean business. The moment the husks hit them, snap, they're crushed instantly. If you slow it down, you can actually see the hard shells exploding into dust. It just pours out of the chute like a waterfall. It's hard to believe those tough spikes are gone just like that. We need it even softer, so it goes through one more grind. See that? It's completely changed texture. It's soft, moist, and fluffy now. And notice how clear the air is? That's because those big pipes overhead are sucking up all the dust. The stream splits here. One path for fertilizer, one for charcoal. And look at this indoor mountain. It's just a massive pile of potential. Watch the rakes on the ceiling. They smooth everything out so gently. If you get really close, you can see the fibers and moisture. It's perfect organic material. I love how the sunbeams cut through the air here. It feels almost magical. You can literally see the machinery vibrating with power. It's just an endless line of production running without a pause. Welcome to the quiet zone, the fermentation hall. It stretches on forever. Those sprayers up top are misting probiotics down onto the piles. Think of it like giving the soil a healthy yogurt drink. The mist looks so cool in the sunlight. Here comes the giant mixer. It drives right over the piles, tossing them up to let the oxygen in. Do you see that steam rising? That's not a fire. That's natural heat coming from the microbes working hard. Over time, look at how the color shifts from a light brown to this deep, rich, dark chocolate color. That means it's ripe. We give it a good sift to make sure there are no big lumps left, just pure, soft compost. Falls down like a gentle, dark rain. It looks so soft, I almost want to touch it. The cameras are watching every inch to make sure it's uniform. We add a little boost of minerals here, and then it gets one final spin in this mixing drum. It's mesmerizing to watch it turn. And there it is, a mountain of black gold, ready to feed the earth. Now, let's look at the high-tech side. These stainless steel reactors look like something out of a sci-fi movie. We feed the dry powder in, and the heat creates this shimmering air around it. Inside, it's baking without burning, turning pitch black. Look at it pouring out. That is pure biochar. It's dry, crisp, and incredibly valuable. It has to cool down instantly. Look at that steam blast. If we zoom way in, you can see tiny little holes like a sponge. That's what holds water in the soil. We crush it down just a bit to make it even, and thanks to those filters, the factory stays spotless. It's such a satisfying contrast, the jet black charcoal against the white conveyor belt. We can even press it into these neat little pellets. They're shiny and smooth like polished stones. They get stored in these towering silos that reach up to the roof. When the bottom opens, it flows out like black sand. The whole setup is so sleek and metallic. It's amazing to think this high-tech product came from a fruity husk. We're in the home stretch now. 2 lines running side by side, totally synchronized. Watch the machine grab a bag. Zip is hanging. Whoosh! Filled to the perfect weight in a split second. The sewing machine stitches it up faster than your eye can follow. It's strangely hypnotic watching them march down the rollers, isn't it? No heavy lifting here. The stacker picks them up and places them gently onto the pallet. Look at how perfect that square is, corner to corner. The wrapper spins around it, keeping everything tight and safe. And then the forklifts take over, dancing around the floor to fill up this warehouse. It is stacked to the ceiling with finished goods. Time to hit the road. The sunlight is flooding in as we load up the containers. The doors close, the lock clicks, and they're off. Those trucks are taking this nutrients back to farms all over the world. From the green fields, through the factory, and back to the earth. It's a beautiful, perfect circle of life, don't you think?